I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing, yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, but it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Okay, y'all, and that is it. Can we just talk about it? Like, I'm loving this hair. That was so easy. Like, it took me longer to braid down my hair than to put this wig on. It is so, baby, it ain't going nowhere. Look at that. It is so secure. I'm just really liking this, y'all. It was so easy. I like this curl pattern. I don't know, like you can wear how you want, like it's poofy for me, and I like that look. But you can spray it down with water or like some curl definition and make it more defined. But I like the poofiness of it. You can pull it all to the front. You can pull it back. Hell, you can even pull it in a ponytail if you want. Y'all, this is so good, especially if you like, y'all know I don't got no edges, so. If you new here, I ain't got no edges. So I'm trying to grow my edges back. So this is a great protective style if you want to grow your edges back. And you can take it off at night, put that thing on the shelf. And I think that's gonna make the wig last longer than I know, because like you're not sleeping on it, you're not laying on it, it's not up in the bonnet. Literally take her off every night, throw her on the shelf, get up in the morning and put her right back on. It is that simple, y'all. I like to flat iron my hair. You can like blend it however you want, but I normally flat iron my hair and then I spray it with this water bottle, and as y'all can see, it blends right on in. And I just use some black edge control on my edges, and yeah, I love it. The hair, the quality is good. It feels good. This is a 22-inch, so y'all know it's gonna look a little shorter because it's curled, and I am 5'7", but it stops about here, like a little bit under my breast. It's really full. It's perfect. I really like this, y'all. I don't have no excuse no more to be walking around looking like a chicken head. This is the perfect everyday hairdo, as well as like if you in between hairdos. Like the other day, I was telling my husband, I was like, I ain't going to Walmart with you because my hair ain't done. I had just took my hair out. I was about to put this in, but I hadn't put it in yet. Y'all, I could have literally, now I could just go in my closet, grab it off the shelf, and put it right on. This is perfect, y'all. I'm definitely going to order me some more. Alipearl, if you want to send me some more, send me some more. I think I want me a straight one, a body wave. These are so convenient. Just make sure you protect your leave out. As y'all saw, I put some heat protector on my leave out because, you know, you are, using the same area with the flat irons often. But other than that, y'all, it's a win. Y'all know I don't recommend nothing unless I really like it. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. Go grab this hair now. Alright, gang, so I am coming back a couple days later to let y'all know I am still loving the wig. It still looks really good. As y'all can see, still has a really nice curl pattern. It is so easy, y'all. I literally take that thing off at night and throw it on the shelf. I'm just, like I said, I'm using heat protector for my edges to protect my edges. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I really like it. So y'all know all the details will be listed down below, so you can copy one. I did want to come back because y'all know I like to give a true review, so I did want to come back and give a little update and let y'all see what's going on. We still liking it. We still liking the wig, honey. Again, this is a 22-inch. And yeah, all the details are below. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch y'all next time.